Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make easy honey mustard. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need honey, Dijon mustard, and mayonnaise. These three form the delicious base of our sauce. Also, grab a small bowl and a whisk. We'll be mixing everything together quickly for a smooth, creamy result. Now, let's talk about the perfect ratio. Start with 2 parts mayonnaise, then add 1 part honey for that essential sweetness. Next, incorporate 1 part Dijon mustard. This combination creates a balanced, flavorful sauce. Feel free to adjust the mustard slightly if you prefer a milder or bolder taste. To elevate your honey mustard, consider some optional additions. A half teaspoon of garlic powder can add a wonderful savory depth. For a touch of warmth and color, try a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. If you enjoy a little kick, a tiny pinch of cayenne pepper will do the trick without overpowering the other flavors. Once your honey mustard is perfectly mixed, it's time to store it. Transfer the sauce to an airtight container and refrigerate it. It will stay fresh and delicious for up to 7 days. This versatile sauce is fantastic with chicken tenders, as a dip for pretzels, or spread on your favorite sandwiches. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.